Okay, we're playing. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Ready? Uh-oh. Where'd the ball go?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Oh, we need that ball. Oh, there it is. You found it. That's so silly. Uh-oh. It disappeared again. Where'd it go, Gaston?
No.
You don't know, Gaston?
No.
Oh, we have to find it. We have to find it. Where'd the ball go? Is it under there? Oh, it went away again. That silly ball. You got it. Oh.
No ball.
No ball. Where'd it go?
There's no ball.
That darn ball keeps disappearing.
There's no ball.
Yeah. Can you find it?
Yeah.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Are we done playing with the ball? Because it keeps disappearing.
There's no ball.
I know, no ball.
There's no ball.
Where'd it go? You're so darn cute.
There's no ball.
Gaston is cute and funny. Oh, there it is. I saw it. It's under there. I saw it. It's there. Where?
Not McDonald's.
Where did that ball go? What color is that ball? Remember? Let's look at it. Where's the ball? Let's look at the ball. Ahí está. Ya. Tráela.
No.
No, why not? I want to see what color it is. Ouch, ouch, ouch.